Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to reset your Toyota Yaris tire pressure light. It's a common issue, and I'm here to help you fix it quickly. Before we begin, make sure all 4 of your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can usually find these specific numbers on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. This crucial first step ensures the system has accurate data to work with. Now let's find that elusive reset button. Its exact location can vary a bit depending on your Yaris model, but it's usually in a few key spots. Check under the steering wheel, near the driver's side knee bolster, or sometimes even inside the glove box. For some models, it's a small button located on a plastic panel just above the accelerator pedal. Take a moment to locate this small, often black or yellow button. Once you've found the button, the reset process is straightforward. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the TPMS reset button. Keep holding it until you see the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard flash slowly 3 times. After the 3rd flash, release the button. Now, start your engine, and the light should extinguish within a few minutes as the system recalibrates. If the tire pressure light remains illuminated after following these steps, don't worry. First, double-check all your tire pressures to ensure they are absolutely correct. Sometimes, driving your Yaris at 50 miles per hour or more for about 10 minutes can help the system complete its relearn process. If the light is flashing, it might signal a sensor malfunction or a low sensor battery. In such cases, it's best to consult your owner's manual or visit a trusted mechanic for further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.